Today I'm going to show you how to make an alternating square knot. If you don't already know how to make a square knot, please visit my How to Make 3 Easy Macrame Knots video. Starting with the 4 center cords, make a square knot. Then make another square knot using the 4 cords on the right side. Finally, make one more square knot using the 4 cords on the left-hand side. These 3 square knots, middle, right, and left, make the alternating square knot. To repeat, just start in the middle again and make a square knot. Then move to the right-hand side and make another one, and make the final one on the left-hand side.